Euphorbias are common weeds in Britain, and the two commonest are Euphorbia peplus and Euphorbia helioscopia. They were the two first plants that you could see. This one, or these two, are an unidentified form which hasn't been filmed before, and it has characteristics of both the peplus and helioscopia. And peplus is a sort of greyish looking plant, very compact, usually small. And helioscopia is a very dramatic, symmetrical plant which branches with 5 branches on the main stem and then divides into 3 branches with inflorescences with 3 bracts. This is the new plant, the one which I'm not aware has been filmed before, which I'm convinced must be a hybrid, and you'd expect it because the two species plants are growing very close to each other, so there's a smoking gun there if you like. So, E. peplus, small plant with small bracts and nodding flowers, and the flowers in fact have 4 glands with 2 horns on each gland, so that's a very distinctive way of identifying Euphorbia peplus, and I've produced other videos on this which I'll link in the description. Euphorbia helioscopia is a dramatic plant, as I've said. It's larger and it has 5-3 branching symmetry with 3 inflorescent bracts. And it's a common plant on wasteland. It appears around cities too, though they tend to be smaller plants around the cities because of low levels of nutrients and lesser soil ability. This is the plant that must be the hybrid between the two. E. peplus times E. helioscopia. It's a large plant with rather random branching and 2 bracts subtending the inflorescence rather than 3, so it's clearly not helioscopia. Now I asked AI, as I always do these two species hybridize? And yes, Euphorbia peplus and helioscopia do hybridize because they're members of the Esula subgenus. And Euphorbia as a genus is known for its hybridization, and there is potential for inbreeding, though it's not common between helioscopia and peplus. There's also evidence suggesting that hybridization in wild plants is increasing, and the trend is driven by global change and human activities. So there are increasing opportunities for hybridization, particularly for sympatric plants. This affects ecosystems because you've got new mixtures of genes in the ecosystem, and a hybrid may or may not be able to spread itself in the same way as the species, so it's an unknown quantity. Increased hybridization has been observed, and it's an evolutionary force. The changes in the environment are driving the evolution of these plants, so it's interesting to see them. Thanks for watching.